To verify your Remitly account, start by opening a web browser and typing in Remitly or remitly.com, which will direct you to the website's homepage. From there, you can select your country and view the various options available, including sending money and accessing your transfer history. To begin, click on the Login button and enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for one at this time. Once you've accessed your account, you'll see several options, including Send Money, Transfer History, and Settings. To verify your account, navigate to the Settings section, where you'll find options such as Profile Information, Notifications, Recipients, Payment Methods, and Privacy Choices. In the Profile Information section, you can add your name, address, and phone number, which will help verify your account. You'll also need to verify your email address, which can be done by creating an account and clicking the Verify Account option. By adding this information to your profile, you'll be taking steps to verify your account. After completing these steps, you can review and update your profile as needed.